Good day everyone, I'm Teacher May and I'm here to teach you about science. It's science time! Happy learning! Earth is the only known planet where you can find land, water, and air. Its land and water abound with natural resources provide humans and other living organisms with their needs. Our planet contains a variety of environment where living things can be found. These living organisms interact and use available resources from their surroundings. Today, we will discuss about Earth's natural resources. What are the importance of natural resources? All living things depend on the different natural resources that are found on Earth. There are resources of food, water, and air. Living things cannot survive without them. These natural resources may be classified according to living resources and non-living resources. So under our living resources, these are natural resources from living things. These resources that are replaced by the environment over short periods are renewable. Renewable resources are not totally consumed when they are used. They can easily be regrown or regenerated. What are these living resources? Our living resources are animals and plants. Animals are sources of food, like meat, eggs, and milk. Other animals help with our day-to-day activities, like in transportation and in farming. Some animals are good companions to human beings. Cats, birds, rabbits, and fish can be taken care of at home as pets. Dogs are trained to help in search and rescue operations and to aid people with special needs. Animals are renewable resources because they can breed in big numbers to replace what has been consumed. Plants make their own food. Most animals and people get food from plants. We obtain fruits and vegetables from them. Plants are also a source of construction materials and cloth fiber. Trees are home to birds and insects. Flowering plants add beauty to different sceneries. Plants are renewable resources because they can easily be regrown and replanted even when a lot are used by humans. Let's proceed to non-living resources. Non-living resources are natural resources from non-living things. These can be renewable or non-renewable. Under our renewable, we have water, sun, and we have wind. So they are considered as renewable. While soil, gasoline or the fuel, and minerals are considered as non-renewable resources. Water is essential in the survival of living things. Water contains minerals that living things need. Water is used for drinking, bathing, washing, cleaning, cooking, and recreation. There is a limited supply of water on Earth. However, it is considered a renewable resource because it cycles through the planet in different forms, like liquid in the different water forms, solid in glaciers and polar ice caps, and gas as water vapor and clouds. Aside from being the lifeline of the planet, water can be useful in many other ways, such as the following. Oceans and seas serve as the waterways for transportation. Coral reefs found in seas or in oceans serve as home to marine animals. Waterfalls can be a source of energy or energy from moving water called the hydroelectric energy produces electricity. An example is the Maria Cristina Falls in Iligan City, which provides electricity to some parts of Mindanao. Sun warms Earth enough to support life. Its heat and light help the plants make their own food. It gives animals get energy. Sunlight helps boost humans' immune system and increases children's growth. The sun is a renewable resource. The air is important for organisms living in the planet because it contains the gases necessary to support life. It gets replenished by gases that the living things release. There are non-living resources that are non-renewable. Non-renewable resources cannot be easily replaced. Once they are used up, it will take millions of years before they are made again. Soil. Soil contains substances that plants use to make food. It filters water and provides essential nutrients to plants. Human activities like farming, mining, and building cities can destroy the soil. It takes more than a human lifespan to regenerate the upper layer of the soil. We have also fuels. Fuels are resources of power. Many machines and vehicles run using energy by fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are formed from the remains of animals and plants that lived millions of years ago. We have also minerals. A mineral is a substance naturally found on Earth's crust. Mineral resources are materials formed underground through the years. Minerals provide the materials used to make other things.